Okay guys, now we've got this short passage, ensuring safety in the office. It means they're going to talk about office and how to ensure your safety in the office. Like in the office sometimes there are some accidents, injuries and all that, okay? Ensuring safety in the office. It's fairly, we have subtitle also, so we will read the subtitle. It's fairly obvious that safety and health hazards can exist on work sites filled with heavy machinery and equipment. However, a surprising number of hazards can also be present in the office. So, questions 21 to 27. Complete the notes below. Choose one word only from the text. So, it's again one word. Questions and answers are in order. And by the way, in all three sections of IELTS reading, academic or general training, you will find one word only. Okay, they always give you 4 to 5 questions. They can be in the form of summary completion, notes completion, sentence completion, but one word only is always there. So if you find one word only, always start with that. Because questions and answers are in order and you find them at one location, that's why. Okay, so we've got making sure offices are safe, and then there are some bullet points. To prevent slips, trips, falls and collisions, ensure that. Now the first bullet point is about boxes, but there is no question. But still you can underline the word boxes. Second, items such as dash do not create a tripping hazard. Items such as do not create a tripping hazard. Second paragraph, first line, and you can see the word box. Found it? Okay, so we read it from third line. Second paragraph, third line after full stop. Further, in addition to posing an electrical hazard, stretching wires across walkways create a tripping hazard. So ensure they are properly secured and covered. Items such as, yeah, why? But they mention it further in addition to posing an electric hazard, stretching wires across walkways create a tripping hazard. So ensure they are properly secured and covered. Items such as, yeah, wires do not create a tripping hazard. Actually, you know what is confusing me here is, in the passage they said wires across walkways create tripping hazard, and in the question they said do not create a tripping hazard. So this is confusing me. Okay. Do we have wires before that? Okay, let's read second line. I'm reading it from the second line. Second paragraph, second line after full stop. Be certain that all materials are safely stored in their proper location to prevent build-up of clutter. Further, in addition to posing an electrical hazard, stretching wires across walkways creates a tripping hazard. So ensure they are properly secured and covered. Okay, items such as wires do not create a tripping hazard. Yeah. Be certain that all materials, and further in addition to posing electrical hazard, stretching wires create. Yeah, they mention tripping hazard, and there they say do not create tripping hazard. In? Please come to fourth paragraph. Yes, we do have it again. So what's the point here? Hazard? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth paragraph, third line. Okay, let's read it here. Fifth paragraph, second last paragraph, right? And third line. They say if drawers are left open and filling cabinets and desks may also create a tripping hazard. But this is not the wires, drawers. Answer is here, but there is this mistake. Okay, items such as wires create tripping hazard. Okay, anyways, this do not is confusing here. I'll check it again, right? Now, please let's go on to question number 22. Workers do not use dash to reach high objects. Okay, now let's read second paragraph. Standing on rolling office chairs is a significant fall hazard. Workers who need to reach something at an elevated height, okay, should use a step ladder. What's the question? Workers do not use? No, they should use step ladders. Come on, you are just like Yasin. The other day, like we have an office, 3 days a week we work there, and there I have the revolving chair, and there is that cabinet up there. And I said, we were looking for something, and he said, I just check it there. On revolving chair, he removed his shoes, and as he stepped on the chair and I shouted, are you crazy? He said, what happened? I'm going to get the thing from there. I mean, revolving chair slips and then you fall. And you know, the people who are likely to have a lot of accidents, we call them accident prone people. One word is accident prone, second is clumsy. And this gentleman already has both qualities. Yeah, so he was about to stand on the chair when I yelled and I said, are you okay? He said, I'm going to get it from there. And once he did the same thing with the plastic chair and the poor chair broke. And then he said, I did nothing, I only stood on it. So when a human being of 105 kgs is going to stand on a plastic chair, this will happen. Okay, we come back. Workers do not use chairs to reach high objects. What do they have to use? Step ladder. Step ladder is like a ladder we have in houses that can be folded and all that. Step ladder. Okay, that's good. Chairs is the right answer. Dash are fixed at corners. Look for the word corners. Corners. Fourth paragraph, first line. Now what is fixed at corners? Workers can collide when making turns in the hallways and around blind corners. This can be prevented by installing mirrors in these places. What do they mean by these places? Corners. Absolutely. For these places, they have already used the word corners. So correct answer is mirrors are fixed at corners. Mirrors. And yeah, one thing, Mavish, you have written mirror. Now tell me, if you write mirror, is it the right answer? No. Why no? Because R is written here. Now they are sensitive about singular or plural. So over here, your answer must be plural. And make it a rule, as you copy the word from the passage, singular, plural, whatever the word is, with hyphen, without hyphen, just copy paste it exactly. So over there they mentioned mirrors. So you should write mirrors as well. Okay. Now let's go on. The next question is, floors are covered by dash, especially at entrance. Floors. Can you see the word floors? Same paragraph, third line. Now floors are covered by what? Floors may also present a hazard. Marble or tile can become very slippery, particularly when wet. The use of carpets can help to reduce falls. So what is covered by? Yeah, floors are covered by carpets, especially at entrance. Okay, and for entrance they use the word can be especially helpful at main doors. Now main door and entrance, they are clue words, they are synonyms, and correct answer is carpets. They have mentioned plural carpets, you write plural, no problem. To prevent injuries caused by objects, ensure that dash in office furniture. Clue word is office furniture. Now something in office furniture are kept closed. Second last paragraph. Another type of injury comes from workers being struck by an object. Filing cabinets. Now filing cabinet is office furniture. Okay. Filing cabinets may be in danger of tipping over if drawers are left open. So drawers in office furniture are kept closed. For kept closed, they use the word left open. Okay. Now say if the drawers are left open, people may fall. So it means drawers must be closed or kept closed. Answer is drawers. To prevent injuries due to posture and repetitive movement, ensure that office furniture is dash. Last paragraph. I'm reading it from second line after full stop. Last paragraph, second line after full stop. Desks, seating, monitor stands, now that is office furniture. Desks, seating, monitor stands, etc. should all be adjustable in order to accommodate the widest possible range of employees. So office furniture is adjustable. Should all be adjustable and office furniture is adjustable. Correct answer is adjustable. Dash are provided for documents. Answer must be plural. Some things are provided for documents. Clue word documents. Fourth last line after full stop. Okay, I'm reading it from, this can be prevented. I'm reading it from, yeah, let's read it from there. Last paragraph, fourth line after full stop. Last paragraph, fourth line after full stop. Typing from hard copy can lead to neck strain if a worker is forced to look down repeatedly to the desk at the document being copied and back to the computer screen. This can be prevented by providing holders which help to prevent muscle imbalance. So, holders are provided for documents. Correct answer, holders.